How to install an optic fiber terminal box. Struggling to install an optic fiber terminal box? Don't worry, this video will guide you through the process step by step. First, prepare essential tools like a screwdriver, fiber strippers, and fiber cleavers. Then, choose a proper location. Considering factors such as easy access and protection from environmental elements. Next, mount the terminal box firmly. Drill holes according to the mounting template, insert wall anchors, and use screws to fix it. Now comes the fiber connection part. Strip the outer sheath of the fiber cable, carefully insert it into the terminal box, and connect the fiber optic connectors. Make sure each connection is secure to minimize signal loss. Finally, organize the cables neatly using cable ties and label each fiber clearly for future maintenance. After installation, perform a simple test to ensure everything works well. With these steps, you'll have your optic fiber terminals boxed up and running in no time. Check out the video and start your installation journey.